All right, so when we look at an index, a particular index is a composite that's actually tracked, right? So we look at the S&P 500, that's a composite, that's a particular index. We're looking at also QQQ, which is the NASDAQ, all right? And an actual index fund mimics those particular asset classes. So some index funds are actively managed, and then there's other index funds that are managed. The great thing about index funds is that you do not have to be an expert, right? If we're starting off our investing journey, a lot of some people invest in what we call individual stocks. To invest into individual stocks, we have to understand how do we do the research. What things do we look at to determine if it's a good stock or bad stock? Right? Some people think GameStop is a good stock or a bad stock, right? Some people think Enron was a good stock or a bad stock, right? But there's certain things, if you know how to look at what we call the company's fundamentals, that can help you identify if this is a good company and it's going to be around in the future, because this is your hard-earned money that you're parking to the side in hopes that it's going to increase in this company. So if we're not there yet, nor if we don't have the time to learn about how to invest in individual stocks, index funds are our next best options. All right. So the index fund is going to be it gives you it gives you diversity. So it's going to be a basket of different stocks. And or it could also include something that's more conservative like bonds. So it's going to give you diversity. An index fund can be as aggressive, have as much stock exposure as you want, or it can be conservative, have as much exposure as you want. The thing about index funds, they're specialized. And when I say specialized, you have so many different index funds you can choose from. There's index funds in the energy sector, in the financial sector, the healthcare sector, foreign companies, US companies, treasury bonds, corporate bonds. So it gives you a very mixed, diversified, and specialty investment vehicles that you want to be able to invest into.